Want to speak real Vietnamese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at Vietnamesepod101.com.
Hi guys, it's Linh again. Welcome back to Vietnamesepod101.com, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Vietnamese. If you want to say, I don't do something, or I haven't done something, or I wouldn't do something, how would you say in Vietnamese? It's super easy, trust me, because there is only one word that you have to remember, and let's find out what it is.
Phủ định trong tiếng Việt.
So, negation in Vietnamese means phủ định. Phủ định. Phủ định. That means is like the opposite to affirmative, right? So, phủ định, but we don't really use it a lot. The word. So, let's see the words that we can use for like almost every situation.
Không.
Không. Không. Không. It means no, literally. So không is used very easily because basically you only need to put the word không before the verb, and that's fine. That's completely correct. Let's take a look at some example. Tôi không biết. Tôi không biết. Tôi không biết means I don't know. It's very, very common, right? Almost foreigners that I know this sentence. Tôi không biết. Alright, another example would be tôi không chơi bóng rổ. Tôi không chơi bóng rổ. Bóng rổ means basketball. Tôi không chơi bóng rổ. I don't play basketball. Okay? Tôi không chơi bóng rổ. So easy, right? You only need to put không before the verb, and that's fine. And one more thing is we don't have to conjugate the verb in Vietnamese. You only use the verb for all pronouns, and that's fine. So since we are talking about the negations, let's take a look at the tenses also. So you know what exactly to use when it's in the past, the present, or the future. Okay?
Chưa.
Let's say if you want to say I've never been to Europe, you can say tôi chưa bao giờ đến châu Âu. Tôi chưa bao giờ đến châu Âu. Tôi chưa bao giờ đến châu Âu. Chưa here we can use for the present perfect, okay? It's a little bit different, slightly different to không, but it's still negation. Tôi chưa bao giờ đến châu Âu. Another example would be tôi chưa gặp cô ấy bao giờ. Tôi chưa gặp cô ấy bao giờ. Tôi chưa gặp cô ấy bao giờ. Tôi chưa gặp cô ấy bao giờ means I haven't seen her. I haven't seen her, or I have never seen her. Okay, so only chưa is different. All the other situations we can use không. Another example, tôi chưa biết nữa means like I don't know yet, or I don't know, or I'm not sure yet. Tôi chưa biết nữa. Tôi chưa biết nữa. So in this situation, chưa will means like yet, okay? But it also means I don't know. I don't know yet. Tôi chưa biết nữa. Okay? In this situations, you can use either tôi chưa biết nữa or tôi không biết nữa.
Không.
Alright, now let's talk about the present tense. So if you want to say like I don't study French but I study English instead, you can say tôi không học tiếng Pháp mà tôi học tiếng Anh. Tôi không học tiếng Pháp mà tôi học tiếng Anh. Tôi không học tiếng Pháp mà tôi học tiếng Anh. Tôi không học tiếng Pháp mà tôi học tiếng Anh. That means I don't study French, I study English. Tôi không thích đồ ăn nhiều dầu mỡ. Tôi không thích đồ ăn nhiều dầu mỡ. Tôi không thích đồ ăn nhiều dầu mỡ. Tôi không thích đồ ăn nhiều dầu mỡ means I don't like greasy foods. I don't like greasy food, or I don't like too oily foods, okay? Tôi không thích đồ ăn nhiều dầu mỡ. I don't, okay? Tôi không thích. I don't like.
Sẽ không.
Right, now let's talk about the future. If you want to say like I won't disturb you anymore, so you can say tôi sẽ không làm phiền bạn nữa. Tôi sẽ không làm phiền bạn nữa. Tôi sẽ không làm phiền bạn nữa. Tôi sẽ không làm phiền bạn nữa means I won't bother you anymore or I won't disturb you anymore. So for the future, you only need to put sẽ as the word for the future tense and không and the verb. Sẽ không làm phiền, will not disturb. Okay? Tôi sẽ không làm phiền bạn nữa, but please disturb me, okay? I want to receive more questions about Vietnamese. So please leave a comment below. Tôi sẽ không bao giờ ăn món này nữa. Tôi sẽ không bao giờ ăn món này nữa. Tôi sẽ không bao giờ ăn món này nữa means I will never eat this dish again. So, sẽ không bao giờ means will never. Không bao giờ is never. And ăn means to eat. Tôi sẽ không bao giờ ăn món này nữa. I would never eat that food again, or I would never eat this dish again. Okay? Also, there will be some special situations where you will use negation in a little bit different way. For example, if you want to say I'm not married, so that means you at the moment are not married yet. Okay? So in Vietnamese, we will say tôi chưa lấy chồng. Tôi chưa lấy chồng. Instead of saying tôi không lấy chồng means like I will never get married. But if you want to state your status at the moment, tôi chưa lấy chồng, I'm not married. That means like I haven't been married yet, or I'm not married yet. Okay? Tôi chưa lấy chồng. Also, there will be another word which is not very common, not as common as không, but it also can be used. That is chẳng. 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 So instead of saying không bao giờ, we can say chẳng bao giờ. Alright? Chẳng bao giờ. So when you say chẳng, it sounds a little bit like you are a little bit upset or you are complaining a little bit, and the other person will feel like she's getting upset. Something like that. But it's not too negative, okay? It's not in a negative way. So it's just another way to use negation.
Các ví dụ khác. Anh ấy không nói với tôi về chuyện đó. Anh ấy không nói với tôi về chuyện đó. Anh ấy không nói với tôi về chuyện đó. He didn't talk to me about that. Gần đây tôi không khỏe lắm. 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 I haven't been feeling so well recently. Chúng tôi chưa có dự định gì cả. 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 We haven't had any plans. Cô ấy sẽ không làm vậy đâu. Cô ấy sẽ không làm vậy đâu. Cô ấy sẽ không làm vậy đâu. She won't do that.
Okay, so I hope it is clear, and that's it for today. So let's summarize a little bit. Although the most common word in Vietnamese that we can use for negation is không, không, which literally means no. However, we also have some other words that can support you, which is chưa, chưa for the present perfect, okay? Chưa and chào. So I hope this is clear, and thank you very much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe the channel. Also, if you want to learn Vietnamese in the fastest, easiest, and most fun way, go to VietnamesePod101.com and sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Get your real lessons by real teachers. Thank you so much for watching again and see you in the next one. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại!